Hello friends, come and join me today. I will be making a quick lunch for my husband and I, and he is at the gym right now. I did not join him today. I'm a little bit under the weather, so I'm not doing my workout Wednesday. You guys know I do Motivation Monday, Workout Wednesday, and Fighter Friday for my light, low impact workout for my POTS syndrome. Anyways, I just wanted to do a little video to show you guys one of my routines, what I do for a quick lunch for my husband and I before he goes to work. And come and join us today and I will show you what I will be making. Okay, so I went ahead and prepped a few items for the lunch I'm going to be making. He's going to have a little steak. I already washed it in cold water and I took all the excess water off with a paper towel, and I will be seasoning that with some steak seasoning and a little bit of oyster sauce. And then over here, I'm just gonna do a quick little stir fry. We have some red bell peppers, some onions. This is just a medium onion that I've sliced and then just cut in half. And then half of a cabbage. This is one package of bean sprouts, or 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Here's some ginger stir-in paste. This makes everything so convenient. I love these. Okay, and then also some sliced water chestnuts. Those are that's 5 ounces of sliced water chestnuts. And this is some cut baby corn, and this is 8 ounces. I've already rinsed the top of the can before I opened it, and then I drained all the liquid out and I rinsed it really quickly inside just to get anything out, to make sure everything's clean. So yes, let's go ahead and start cooking, everyone. So let's season up this steak, everybody. All right, let's get some ground black pepper in here. And I'm not going to season this heavily because my husband cannot have too much sodium. But yeah, so I'm just going to put some ground black pepper, some garlic powder, some Weber's Chicago steak seasoning, just very lightly. And then a little bit of the Trader Joe's seasoning salt. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and turn the steak over and season the other side. And you can just season your steak however you like, as lightly or as much as you like, but I try to do a really light coating of seasoning for him. Just a little pepper, garlic powder, a little steak seasoning. This is not coming out as much, so it looks like I'm shaking it a lot, but it's just very, it just takes a while to come out. And a little bit of the Trader Joe's seasoning salt. Okay, so just a hint of all that, and then a little bit of oyster sauce. It's a new jar, so okay. So I'm going to massage the seasoning in there. I'm going to massage the oyster sauce and all the seasonings that I just put on there. And let's go ahead and flip it over and do the other side with the oyster sauce. I usually get another brand of oyster sauce, but I was needing one right away. So when I went to the 99-cent store, I went ahead and got the brand over there, but it's fine with me. So first, before I fry up the steak, because that's going to take quick to cook, so I'm going to go ahead and just start on the stir fry. And Romano just got home. Babe, say hi. He just got home from the gym.
Did my little 1 hour workout, hour and a half.
I told him I couldn't go with you because I'm under the weather. So let's get this stir fry started, you guys. So here is the setup. I have my wok right here. I have the shallow pan that I'm going to cook this steak in. I'm just letting that sit to kind of marinate a little bit for like about 15 minutes while I make the stir fry. So I'm going to go ahead and add some oil to this pan, but first I'm going to go ahead and turn on the heat to like a medium. All right, so I'm just gonna add a couple tablespoons of vegetable oil, and then we're gonna saute the onions and the garlic and the ginger paste for a little while. Okay, so I'm gonna add my one small onion in here. I'm just breaking it up real quick. And when this gets a little, just slightly translucent, I'm gonna add the garlic and the ginger. Sorry about my voice, it's breaking up, you guys, because my throat is like sore and kind of itchy from, you know, the cold trying to creep in. And my heat is on like a medium. You can have it a little higher, but I'm just putting it on a medium, which is about a number 5 or 6. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and add the garlic. And also the ginger paste. This one here. Probably like a tablespoon. If you don't like ginger, then don't add the ginger. So now I'm gonna higher my heat to like a 6.5. Which is like a medium high. So I'm going to add the sliced water chestnuts that I've drained and washed. This is 5 ounces. And I'm also adding the 8 ounces of baby cut corn, or cut baby corn, that I've drained and washed also. Okay, now I'm going to higher my heat to a 7. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the red bell pepper and the cabbage. Okay, so now I'm going to higher my heat to an 8, which is a medium high. So it has been sauteing for like a few minutes, and I made a quick slurry. This is a cornstarch slurry. It has like a 1/4 cup of water, about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and then also hoisin sauce, soy sauce, oyster sauce, brown sugar, and sesame oil. And the soy sauce was like about 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and about 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. So we are going to go ahead and pour this in. And I'm just going to keep stirring this a little bit on high heat. Or like a medium high heat. It's like almost at number 8. 7, 8. Okay, time for the bean sprouts. And we kind of like our veggies a little firm. If you like yours more cooked, don't add the cornstarch slurry till it's almost done. And I'm just lowering the heat now to like about a 7 or 6. I think I had it on too high. I'm just adding a little more oil. Okay, so just a sprinkle of salt and pepper. And then just taste it, and if it's how you like it, then you don't have to adjust the seasoning. It is all ready. I'm just gonna cook it for another minute, and then we are gonna start on the steak, you guys. Okay, so I set that wok in the back burner off the heat on this front one, and it is just gonna relax there. I did adjust the seasoning. I added another teaspoon of soy sauce, and it is all ready. So we are gonna go and start on the steak. I'm going to go ahead and turn the stove on a medium heat. Get a little bit of vegetable oil on there, like maybe a couple tablespoons. And once that heats up, you guys, we're going to go ahead and add the steak. So here we go. I'm going to just kind of spread the oil out. Get it all coated evenly on the full surface of the pan. And here is the steak. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cook this steak. It's on a medium heat. And if you want grill marks, you can put it on a grill pan. But today I am just doing it on a big shallow saute pan. And that is gonna cook on medium. It's a fairly like average, not too thick of a steak. Like about, I would say about ½ an inch in thickness. So I would just cook it for a few minutes on each side, depending how you like your steak. Okay, so while the steak is cooking, I just want to chit chat with you guys. And I've been making my usual hot green tea with lemon and honey and ginger slices. If you guys have any suggestions on another type of drink that is good for colds and sore throat and cough, let me know. I would appreciate it because I get sick pretty frequent. So I would just appreciate any comments you guys have on anything for immune system, anything like that, because I get sick often. So any advice I would love. And yeah, so after we cook this meal, we're just gonna go sit down and eat. And we are finally almost caught up, you guys, with the Walking Dead series. It took us about a couple months on Netflix, and we are starting today on season 8, episode 1. I think they're showing currently right now season 9. So we are almost caught up, and it's getting really good. So while we eat our lunch, we're going to go ahead and start season 8, episode 1. And here is how the steak is looking. I am going to turn that over in just a couple minutes. So let's get you turned over, Mr. Steak. All right, guys, let's turn this over. And you guys know I am not a chef. I am just a home cook and just do what you normally do. I am just showing you one of our afternoon lunches that I make for my husband before he goes to work. Yum, you guys, this smells so good, but I am not eating steak today. I am just having veggies. I'm gonna cook this on the other side for probably like another 2 to 3 minutes, and it is finished. Okay, so I turned it over on the other side one more time just for like 1 minute, and now it is finished. And that just goes on his plate because he is having that whole piece, not me. Alright, so I'm just going to put some of the stir fry in a serving bowl. Just a simple stir fry. I did not add any mushrooms, which is my favorite. But it's okay next time. I try to do different variations of veggies for my husband and I because he is on a keto diet. You guys know that already. We try not to do carbs. So no rice, no pastas and bread as much as possible. But yeah, so this is just one of the variations that I do for our veggies. So there you go, a big helping of veggies. So here is our quick, light, and simple lunch, you guys. There's Romano's yummy, delicious steak. So good. And there is the stir-fry veggies, and I am just having some spicy chicken noodle soup right there, like an Asian soup. So good. And are you coming, baby? He is about to put The Walking Dead, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we are going to have our lunch, guys. And did you guys check out my video last night I did on our simple, affordable Christmas home apartment decor? Check that out, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you found that you can, you know, decorate your home, your apartment for an affordable price. So yeah, let's go and eat. I am so hungry, and I cannot wait, you guys, to watch The Walking Dead.
Okay guys, we're about to eat lunch, so please subscribe to our channel and hit that thumbs up button. And you guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time.
Okay, so we're about to eat, and we will see you soon. Bye, everyone.